Welcome back, crafty friends. It's Alicia of the Me Crafty YouTube channel, and today I am back with a little scrapbooking process video for you. Now, I think this is probably my first scrapbooking video on my channel, and my daughter is 12 and this is her first 4th of July, so I think you kind of get an idea how long it has been since I've actually scrapbooked. But when I got these new 4th of July papers and embellishments and stickers from ADORNit, I just had to get out some of our old photos to scrapbook with these papers. And with the 4th of July coming up, it is perfect timing. As I go through today, I kind of have an idea in my head of what I want the layout to look like, but it could turn out totally different. And please keep in mind, it has been a long time since I've scrapbooked, so bear with me today as I kind of fuss around with things and decide where I want them. So I have a page map sketch here next to me, and I'm kind of using that as the basis for my layout. And I will insert a picture of the sketch that I'm going to be using, and below I will link the post that has the sketch. So here is that. I've always enjoyed using page map sketches when I do scrapbook. I think it makes putting the stuff together so much easier. If you've never checked out that blog, make sure to go there. Also, I will link the ADORNit store below with the different 4th of July papers, but as we go along, I'll try to tell you the item name of what I am using when I do use it. So I have out just different pattern papers from them. Here are some cut aparts. I have red and blue cardstock just from my stash. They sent me some paper clip and brad embellishments, so I hope to use those in some way. And then I have a couple sticker sheets from them, and these are nice cardstock weight stickers, so those will be great on there. Let's go ahead and see if we can get this page done. The first thing I'm going to do is mat my photos, and I think the little ones, the squares, I'm going to mat with the off-white, and the big one, I think I might do red, white, and blue mats, and I'm not sure yet about this one. I think I'll get this together and see how I feel about it. Now that I have all of my photos matted, I am going to try to arrange all of my papers how I think I'm going to want them. I'll leave that background the full size, and it is a nice thick paper, so it will make a good base for the page. The star paper I'm going to cut to 8 inches tall and leave the length at 12. And the stripes, I'm going to cut it so the stripes are going vertical, and I'm going to cut the page right in half at 6 inches. I think I need something up here to kind of separate all of this red. Down here I'll have a journaling spot to try to get rid of that, but what I'm going to do is put this blue and white stripe on just the very edge of the red striped page. And I almost forgot I was going to tell you the names of the papers. So this is Worn Red Stripe. The star paper is Forever Stars. And the background paper is actually double-sided. And I cut off the branding strip. That one is Seasons July Wordplay. So I will try to link all of these individually below, but just in case you have the names of them there. For my journaling area, I'm going to cut out this 4x6 card and see what it looks like kind of scooted underneath the photos. This paper is called Seasons and it's the July cut apart. And I almost think it needs a little bit of a separation from the red, so I'm going to map that. I'm going to be using this sticker from the Independence Day sticker sheet for most of my title, but I'm going to set it aside now until I have everything laid down. I'm going to use some foam squares on this photo just to make it stand out a little bit. Since this was my daughter's first 4th of July, I'm just going to use these letter stickers and put those right there to say first. Now, one of the great things about these stickers is there's lots of letters, lots of each of the letters, so you can spell more than half of a word with them. And I am going backwards so I know where to place everything and I don't run out of room. I was going backwards and then I forgot that the R comes next. I went ahead and added the date that these pictures were taken, and later I will go in and journal about what we did that day and where we went to see our first fireworks at. But for now, this is the end of the process. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel and you would like to come back and see more of what I do, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button below and click on the bell to get notifications. If you're already a subscriber and regular viewer, as always, thank you for stopping back by. I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye.